Okay, guys, so I thought I'd do a first impressions, or not first impressions, 'cause I've had it for a while now. Anyway, this is an impressions on Windows 8. Now, I got Windows 8 because I could do some more stuff with it, and it was more like a tablet. It felt more like the Xbox One, because there's a lot of features on here which are very Xbox One-like. And yeah, so here is my main menu. Here is my main screen. It may be a little bit laggy because I'm recording off of a separate third-party recording software as opposed to Fraps. And yeah, so you have down here the start button. This is 8.1. And yeah, this is really nice. It looks freaking cool. Apparently Adam West for mayor. Because this is my Facebook feed, so it's showing everything on there. All my emails, David Gray YouTube email stuff. And yeah, it's really nice. So what we can do here is I can grab this. And no, I did it wrong. Hang on one bloody moment. Hang on a second. Now let's just move that back there, because I don't want that messing around. Normally I can. I don't know if it's allowing me to, because I think I'm recording. I don't think it's allowing me to do what I'm actually wanting to do. Annoyingly. Let's try and get something open here that we can do that's not going to get in the way. Oh, hello, Joshua. Let's go on. Oh, I don't know. Let's go on one of the recent apps I downloaded. Let's go on Star Trek. Doop-a-doo. Doop-a-doo. Where is it? It's not here. It's left. It's gone. I got a really cool Star Trek thing, and it's it's under it's under Le Cars. Right. So what we have here is Le Cars. This thing is awesome. Okay, so what we can do here is I can be like, oh, well, I want my desktop with the screen, so I can have both running simultaneously, very like the Xbox One, because you can kind of have, I can have like Netflix or something going at the same. Look at this is so cool. So I can have like Netflix running there with TV shows and whatever. I can be watching Star Trek while playing a video game. So yeah, that's pretty freaking awesome, and I quite like that, to be honest. It's a very, very cool little feature. I can also get out of this just by hitting the Windows button. And everything runs in the background as well, so I can go down here and I can go up, and there is everything. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I've not had any issues with games not running. I think that the only game that... There was 2 games that had issues. And I can show you those here. If I go back to my desktop and open up Steam. Okay. This game apparently is actually going to be free, like any minute now. So, yeah, if you're looking to get this game, then get it now when it's free. I think it's now. Yeah, there you go. Here is a Stalingrad for completely free, which is quite nice. Yes, free, but now we're getting to the team tomorrow. Yeah, so that's a small little tip in my review kind of thing. And the only games I had issues in here in Windows 8 were Red Faction Guerrilla. That had a bit of an issue, but that was sorted by... What did I do to it? I did something to it. That basically, it wouldn't... Basically, my character wouldn't move. I couldn't control him. So I ended up just restarting it, and it worked. But that's apparently a big problem, so I don't understand why that is. And also the other game that didn't want to work, Crysis. Now Crysis, I ended up having to do quite a bit to that, and if you ever get into a situation where that's a fact, if I go to my desktop here, go to PC, go over to program files, and then down to Steam, and then Steam apps. If you ever get into an issue with any of the game, Crysis, I know for a fact this works. In here, there should be a little folder called Bin32, which is that one, and then you just basically edit it and just dot back. So yeah, you just turn it to that, and then you just download offline. Just go onto the Steam forums. There's another one that's Bin 64-bit. Bin 64, you just download that and then call it Bin 32. It's really simple. But yeah, that's how to fix Crysis. So Crysis apparently doesn't work normally in Windows 8 very easily. So apparently some people are having issues, some people haven't. But yeah, these games I'll be doing videos on. I've already done a video on Hawken. And what else? There's some other games in here which are really freaking cool. I enjoy them all. And the recording software I use is, of course, Fraps. Fraps is just amazing and brilliant. Star Trek Legacy I'll be doing videos on soon, and there's a few others. War Thunder I want to do a video on. That game looks beautiful, and it plays amazingly. I'm quite happy with it. Call of Duty Modern Warfare, I actually played some of that last night, and that game is incredibly fun online. Morrowind, it's alright. I'm not a humongous fan of it. I'm more into the newer ones. Annoyingly, I know that game's like the highest rated out of all of them, but I couldn't get into it as much. And Amnesia, I recently downloaded that as well, and I think that runs at about 60 frames, so and even recording it runs at 60 frames, so I'll be able to bring you guys some Amnesia videos. If you want to see any custom stories, then go ahead and put them in the comments below. Anyway, I'm going to get out of here, but yeah, I just want to give you a quick impression on Windows 8.1. I really, really like it. It's quick, it's fast, and it's just nice. The only other issue I had was screen resolution. I plugged in a HDMI for the first time, and the screen resolution looked like crap, but now it's, after a couple of restarts, the computer now actually is in the right resolution, which is nice. Anyway, thanks for watching, but until next time, that's me, out. Oh yeah, this is the recording software. Bye guys.